channel. My name is SADE. Today I'm doing a cook and clean with me tonight. I know I've done recipe videos in the past and a few cleaning videos here and there, but I don't think I've ever combined the two. And me being in the kitchen as much as I am, cleaning is definitely a part of my cooking process. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Today's recipe is also going to be something that's really quick and easy and perfect for fall. If you're busy with work, school, you have kids in school, you're definitely going to want this recipe for when you are pressed for time. So I'm excited to share that with you all today. I have 2 hours before a Zoom meeting tonight, so this is the perfect recipe so I can be on time this evening. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is our before. I was eating lunch on the couch today, so I want to tidy that up. And this is what the kitchen is looking like. I just have some dishes to put away, a few pots and pans to wash, and then I want to take out the pizza box that we have from Sunday and clean off the stove because I will need to use this guy in a moment. So that's what we're going to take care of today. I also need to sweep and mop the floors. I'm hoping I can get to that before making dinner. Wow, I've been moving around. Okay, it's 4:15. We're making good timing. I'm gonna redo this after dinner. I should have used hot soap and water first and then use the Windex. Otherwise it leaves this streakiness. So whatever, not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna put our trash cans out on our patio, and then I'm gonna sweep the floors. We'll wash our hands, get dinner started, and while that is on the stove, I should be able to run the steam mop and we'll be good to go. So let's keep going. All right, you guys, it is 4:30. I have 1 hour until my Zoom meeting, so let's get started on dinner. I swept the floors, and like I mentioned, I will steam mop once we get everything going. It only needs 1 pot, and so I'm gonna go in my freezer here. We need a bag of cauliflower rice. Specifically, I like the one that is a stir fry because it comes with other vegetables, bell peppers, corn, peas. So I know some people don't like peas, but you can get cauliflower rice plain and then add any veggies that you want to it. But I like this one. I like the veggies that come in it. I said it's only 2 things, you guys. And going to our fridge. The next thing you'll need is some sausage, and I prefer this organic mild Italian with bell pepper fully cooked chicken sausage. Obviously we're still gonna cook it, but this is what I use, you guys. You don't have to use the whole pack. I would use at least 3 of these, and then you can save 2 for lunches during the week, you know, throw it in a bun or something like that. But I'm gonna use the whole pack. Gonna brown it first, and then once this is like nice and brown and kind of crispy like, I'll add in the cauliflower rice on top, put the lid on, and that's it, you guys. So let's throw all of this together. So I'm just heating up some avocado oil in my green pan skillet here. We've got our sausage all cut up. Gonna add it into the skillet here and let this brown for about 10-15 minutes. It's so flavorful, you really don't even need to season this with anything because of the bell pepper and the Italian seasoning that's already in the sausage. Now the cauliflower rice isn't as seasoned, but with the sausage you get a lot of flavor. And once we get our cauliflower rice going, I'm gonna go in with some organic coconut aminos to add even some more flavor, and we'll top with some crispy fried onions, you guys. It's so good. 1 pot, 1 bowl meal. So I'm gonna get them all kind of flat so they can get nice and brown on at least one side, and then I'll flip them. Nice brown color. It's 4:55, you guys. We did the mopping. I can put those bar stools down now and set up for my Zoom meeting. It starts at 6 p.m., but I'm gonna log on like 30 minutes beforehand because I'm helping to facilitate it, so I have to be on a little bit early. But I wanted to mention how like healthy this is, because you're getting, you know, a good clean lean protein with the chicken sausage, and then a ton of veggies with this cauliflower rice. If you are watching carbs or sugar, this is a great alternative to just regular rice, and I really enjoy it. So throw that in. like to do this in this order where I brown the chicken first because you get it nice and done how you want it, and then the cauliflower rice, just even though it's frozen, it just kind of just cooks right down perfectly with the sausage. I've done it before where I add it both in at the same time, and I kind of wanted my sausage a little bit more done. So as you can see, the sizzling, or here the sizzling stopped a little bit, so because we added the frozen cauliflower. Sausage looks really good. Gonna add my lid back on and just let that heat up for another 5 minutes and we'll be done.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
Little taste test. I know it's super hot. It's perfect every time. So good. It took what, 30 minutes to make or less. I was doing things in between, but super easy. Very good, very nutritious and delicious. I think the bag of cauliflower said 45 calories per serving. I'm not all about counting calories and things like that. I just want to let you guys know this is a super clean recipe, but yet tons of flavor, tons of nutrition. Great for when you're busy on days like this, when you have Zoom meetings, and I worked earlier today and I'm trying to clean. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know over on Instagram. I'll have my handle right here. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more cook and clean with me's, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other recipes you might want to see from me. I have a whole thing I want to do for October. Something special is coming. So let me know if you guys try this recipe. Tag me over on Instagram. I've got to run. I've got a Zoom meeting to get to, like I keep saying. And I will see you guys next week. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.